Genau, wir zelebrieren dieses Stück in der Originalsprache.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What a pity, 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 petty, pity, pity, petty, pity, pity. 1, 2, 3. What a pretty, pretty eye. 1, 2, 3. What a pretty, pretty eye. 1, 2, 3. What a fatty, 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 chatty, 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 catty, 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 petty, petty, no. Pity, 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 witty, witty, pity, pity, pity. Never, never, never.
Never, never, never.
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
Never, never, never.
Ever.
Never.
Ever.
Never.
Ever.
Never.
That. Pepper. Pepper. Never. Ever. Never. Ever. Never. Ever. Never.
So.
Never. Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Summer salt and pepper. My super duper. What a ripper snapper.
Hold your
Tongue your friend.
Here, here. Hey, hush, hush. Babies, grown-ups behave. Right.
What a shame.
Did we come here to quarrel or to dance?
Sure, she is right.
What a shame. And is the waltz not a noble dance? It's a graceful dance. I should say it is. Instead of intonation, correct accentuation. Instead of conversation,
The proper rhythmization.
we are not interested in telling any story. Correct accentuation is our only worry.
Therefore, oh,
Pitch.
now let go.
Pitch. Let's sing it. Let's swing it. Come on. This is no tournament. This is sheer ornament. If it's not breathtaking, still it's merry-making. Merry-making.
Making.
Merry-making. What for are we here if not to dance and swing? Therefore, ho! Now let go! 1, 2, 3.
1,
2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
1,
2, 3. Oh, I am so happy that I have this little dance with you. Dance with you. Oh, I am so happy that I have this little chance with you. Chance with you. Ain't it wonderful? Ain't it beautiful? It's magnificent. It's spectacular. I am beside myself, completely mad.
So what?
Take it easy, darling, moderatory. I lose my mind.
So what?
We are much too earnest, we are all too serious.
All
What
too
can I
serious.
do? What can she do? More unconventional, more unaccountable,
A little crotchety
and more bohemian. Besides eccentrical, and more irregular,
and less conformable.
but more hysterical. Also exceptional instead habitual.
And is that all?
And is that all?
La, la, la.
Accentuation, lip hallucination,
Chip.
reverberation,
Trip.
fortification, accumulation,
Top.
amplification, proliferation,
Corroboration.
affiliation, association,
Crimp.
congratulation, approximation,
Administration.
falsification, multiplication,
Retaliation.
Eradication.
assimilation,
Amplification.
stupefy,
Qualify.
fortification,
Denunciation.
terrify,
Exoneration.
Evaporation.
domination,
Rocking.
Anti-Wagnerism.
Anti-communism.
anti-Semitism, anti-Quackism,
Anti-Nazism.
Anti-anyism.
anti-anything, pro-anything,
Anti-Anti-Pro.
Pro-any-anti.
So where are we?
Are we? Are we? Now where are